Okay, we're on Rua de Palmeira, so we're just basically just gonna walk straight down this street and show you kind of the cool stuff along the way as well. So and I'll show you a little bit of what's behind us. This is behind us. Basically, it's a little alley. Okay, Rua de Palmeira. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, de Palmeira. This is the route that we were just coming from, and now we're gonna so you just keep going all the way down this way, and now we're gonna be coming down this way. There's a little alley right here called the Mouth of the Dragon, which is kind of interesting as well. And then this one goes to this main street, and the inner harbor is way down that way as well. So we're kind of parallel with the inner harbor. This is an area called Patane. That's the Mouth of the Dragon over that street right there, and then this is going to be more of our street right here. So let's go check it out. There's also kind of a cool thing right here too, this little pink one. Just give you a little context of where we are, so you can see how cool that looks too. Okay, so let's keep on walking down Rua de Palmeira, and the lighting is getting to be kind of cool. So the sun is going down a little bit, so we can see kind of this interesting lighting at the moment. There's tiny little becos. These little becos are tiny little alleys that kind of go into. Let's see. So that's where we're just came from. It's like a fresh and fruity. It's like a bakery. Maybe fresh fruit as well. Oh, okay. So Rua de Palmeira. Keep on walking down it. Huh. There's also a travel agency right here. So I guess maybe they do travel. Maybe there are tourists in here. There is a temple down this way. So there's a temple that that some people might be interested in. We're gonna keep on going down that way, but just show you some of the alleys. So you got another little alley here, and this goes up into what's the name of that one? There's a park down that way. This one goes down to the main road, and then the inner harbor waterfront is that way. And this one goes up into Camões. Camões is a name of a Portuguese poet who's quite famous in Portugal and in Macau, of course. And that park is named after him. This one right here, it's like just like a regular little store. And I think that there's a temple at the end of the street. And that temple is at the base of the Camões Park. Tiny little alleys. That's part of the park up there. It's like a little bit of a small temple here. Fish market. Fish. So let's see. So here we have, I think that's Tudigong. I think that's Tudigong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Could be wrong. This also has a little bit of a temple thing in here too. Patio de Sairo. At the end, it looks like there's I see some shrines, and I think let's just keep on going. See what else is. There's definitely a shrine down here, but I don't know if it's at this street or another street. But we'll see in a minute or two. Let's just kind of walk across here. So another alley. Some more of those little alleys. So it goes out to the main street down that way. One of the things I love about Macau is all these alleys everywhere. Rua de Palmeira. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be on the right. There's another alley right there, and then I think this one is going to be where the temple is at. So we'll see in a minute. That is right there. So that's our temple. It's at the end of Rua de Palmeira. So there it is right there. So this temple is at the base of Camões. So Camões Park is on the other side, and let's see if we can go up a little bit. I think it closes at 6 p.m., but I don't know. Let's take a look. Cotai Temple. Doesn't say when it closes. So let me just see. And if you go up to Camões, I think you have to go through that and go up in that way. So that goes to Camões Park. Then this is the temple. Looks like they closed some of the doors. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of closing. But we're going to just show you the way. So if you want to go up to Camões Park, there's a back way in this way. And you kind of angle all the way through. Then you can go up to Camões Park. So let's just show you. So right there is Camões Park, and I think it might be still open. So you can come into this park right here. But we want to stick with Rua de Palmeira, so we're gonna come out of the park. And then we're just gonna show you from this side right here that overlooks Rua de Palmeira, which is the street that we just went on right here. Rua de Palmeira. Okay. So hope you like that one. We're gonna head back down. I think they're gonna close at 6 or something like that anyways. So let's head back down this way. And then to the right there's a park. So we're just gonna finish our walk at the park. So yeah, kind of cool. Nice little temple. And then that's our street right there, Rua de Palmeira. And then it comes, I think it might go down that way. And then there's also a nice little park right here too. So yeah, this little park is kind of cool as well. That goes back to the main road right there. Is it still the same? Rua de Pedra. So this one turns into a different street, which is Rua de Pedra. So this is actually a different street, different thing to explore. And the one that we just did was that one, Rua de Palmeira. So let's come back and capture it. So there you go. You got the temple right there. I think it's called, there's a cat at the temple. So that's our street. So kind of another cool one over there. Okay, so let's just end this right there. Chiquinha,